Gold and silver for the day traded in a very narrow range. We have seen a struggle at 3130, 3140 zone. I have earlier in the day mentioned it is going to remain a greater resistance zone. What we have seen there is a good struggle. It has failed to stay above 3130, 32 and has reversed. But at the same time, it has not shown any signs of bearishness. Remember, it has not shown any signs of bearishness. For this to happen, I have marked out the levels that it has to trade below 3080. While you can see silver is staying in the zone, not trading below 3080 levels, and neither it is trading bullish. It is failed to stay above 3120, 3130 zone. What to expect now? Big day again, inflation data. Definitely it will be watched out for the month of March. How the inflation has performed, definitely it is going to have an impact, and there will be a lot much of volatility. How to profit with that, and with the US session, where to enter, where to exit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you look at gold on the hourly charts, see, after striking that peak here, you can see symmetrical formation, and it is trying to trade in this nice flag formation. The support at 3100 pretty strong. It has to stay below 3100 in order to confirm further bearishness. And in fact, even if it trades below 3100, this is the zone 3100, 3080. This is going to remain the prime support zone here for the day, and only it trades below 3100 and 3080, you can say that the bears are back. And then below that also 3066, 3056, or rather I will say 3056 and 3050, this should be the greatest support below 3050 till 3040. It has got a stronger support. Below that it should be it should deliver a massive correction, but right now it is not showing any such signs. See, moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Stochastic rising from the bottom after hitting the lows. It is trying to rise. While look at MACD, it has crossed over at the top and it is trading with divergence. Look at the rise here, and it has hit the top here. What has happened when it has struck the bottom? We can see a good reversal. Now what could happen when it has seen the peak? It could try to erase some of the gains, and thus there is a possibility of a slight drop. But again, as I said, till 3080, do not treat this as bearish. RSI at top here, coming to 2 hour chart. Look at 2 hour charts here. Double top, first bearish candle, then a pullback, now lower highs, and it is trying to erase the gains here. There is a possibility that it can come towards the bottom. It can move towards 3100, below which you can expect slight further bearish. Also notice the moving averages have crossed over on the upside. It is looking bullish. Also notice it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. Very, very important for it to stay below 3100 levels. Stochastic has dropped from the overbought zone. The MACD has traded bullish here, and it is trying to converge, not yet crossed over. The RSI is coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation. See, double top here. Very, very important for gold to trade above 3130, 32 zone. That is the level beyond which you can say now it is turning bullish. And then still I will say 31, 36 and 3140. Only and only if it trades above 3140, you can say further bullishness to prevail here. As long as 3140 is not taken, you have to be careful with the buys. Right now I can see also higher lows and higher highs here. It has to come out of this channel in order to confirm bearishness. Right now it is still trading with moderate bullishness. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over, trading with bullishness. The RSI is flat at top. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, very important point to note here is, see, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen, nice flag formation, and if you see it is staying first above 3126 and then above 3130, 32, you can expect another round of rise here, where we can look forward to higher highs. We can look forward to 3140, 42, 3150, and in fact 3168, 70 as well. Let's watch out for this. The moving average is crossing over here. Certainly it's a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic extremely overbought. MACD rising, MACD looking upwards. The RSI is flat. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, what has happened? See, yesterday we have seen that after showing bearish candles, it has shown a reversal sign and one bullish candle has appeared. Today it has already achieved higher highs, and this is definitely a greater resistance. And see where it has started the day from. It has started at 3080. That should be a greater support zone. It can hit the zone and can bounce back sharper. Be mindful of this. And also notice there is a swing possibility exists, that 3080, 3050 levels on the downside and 3130 levels on the upside. These levels it may try to respect, and it can try to show a swing as well. Again, I have shared till 3140 we should not be treating gold as bullish. If you see the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD after a bearish cross, it is traded bearish. It is now trying to converge, but I can see this crossover is coming at the high, and now if it tries to bounce back, this may try to form a triple top before reversing, but by then it should be at 3200. Let's see the direction it takes today. RSI rising. Before we look into the charts, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 32nd mentorship batch starting 5th of May. Yes, we have stopped the mentorship batch for last couple of or more months here, and now we are restarting it. Do not miss this opportunity in these turbulent times. Equip yourself with all the knowledge so that you can trade profitably and comfortably. Connect with me, write an email or ping me or Telegram for your queries related to the mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me or write an email for your queries. And if you are just looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering this, if ideally the buying entry has to be above 31.26, or you can keep it a notch lower at 31.24 and then expect it to move towards 31.30, 32. That should be the zone it has to break, and if it stays above 31.30, 32, you can expect another round of rise towards 31.40, 42 and then towards 31.50, 48. If it breaks 31.48, 50, stay bullish. We are looking forward to record levels again. It can move towards 31.68, 70 and then sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, the selling entry I will recommend is at 12 levels. Expect 31.0605 as the first target, 30.98, 3100 as the second, 30.90.92 as the third, and 30.80.84 as the fourth. Till 30.80 it has got very good support. Below 30.80 it will fall into correction zone. You can expect 30.66, 30.50, 52, and below 30.50, 52 it is going to move towards 30. See, if it breaks below 30.50, 52, you can expect it to move towards 36.40, and then you can expect it to move to 30.20 and 3,000. Though such a move is difficult, it is right now staying bullish, looking upwards. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts. Notice what has happened here. You can see after this great rise, retracement, and then the rise here. And now if it tries to fall back, now if it drops below 29.80, you can say this is the correction, and then we can see a double bottoming here towards 28.50, 28.40 zone. But right now what's happening, after the consolidation, it is given a breakout, it is trading bullish here. Also notice on the upside, see how beautifully this line is respected. Thus it is very, very important for it to trade above 31.40, 31.50 zone. Earlier in the day I have mentioned 31.40, 31.50 should be a good resistance. It has moved closer towards it and now trying to reverse. And see on the downside, now it is very, very important for it to drop below 30.60, 30.20 zone, below which it will fall into a correction zone. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD has crossed over at the top. This is a bearish sign for silver. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 2-hour charts, and you see on the 2-hour chart, similar observation. See one strong bearish candle, then a step, then lower highs, lower lows, and now it has to break here. It has to break below 30.60, 30.40 zone, and then you can say more bearishness. But still I will say 30.20 should be a very good support. Below that 29.80, and below 29.80 you can expect a correction. Else right now it is staying bullish, looking upwards. If you see it is staying above 31, you can buy here. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI has dropped hard. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour chart, see diminishing bearishness, lower highs, lower lows. Once it trades above 31, you can expect it to move towards the top of the channel, that is at around 31.40, 31.50 levels, which is achievable. Stochastic dropping hard. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here. RSI is trading bearish. Coming to 4-hour, similar observation, 20 period offering it a good support, and this complete zone between 30.60, 30.40 should be a very good support. And I will say till towards 30.20 you have to watch out. Below 30.20 we can see a good correction towards 29.80, 29.50 levels. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. The RSI is comfortable. Coming to daily. Now before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel. Do not miss out. Connect with me via Telegram or email for your queries. Now look at the daily charts here. 2 straight bullish candles, and it is still delivering higher lows, higher highs. Now this is a nice retracement channel where the highs are done. It can possibly move towards the bottom here. Let's see which direction it takes today. The moving averages have crossed over here. This is a nice bearish sign. And yes, there is a possibility of the prices to move towards the 20 and 50 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 32, 32, 50, 32, 20 zone. So if it stays above 32, 32, 20, you can expect 32, 50, 60, and beyond that, sky is the limit. But these are far beyond levels. First, it has to break beyond 31, 40, 60 in order to confirm the bullishness. The stochastic rising, MACD sharply bearish, trying to RSI has come out of the oversold zone. So looking at this, you can buy here at 31 and expect it to move towards 31, 20, 25, 31, 40, 60, and if that is taken, then 32 should be there. Beyond 32 it is going to move towards 32, 50, 60, and in fact 33, chances for which appears to be less. But yes, a big move is awaited in silver. Let's see if it is on the upside or on the downside. On the downside, take a selling entry at 30, 60. Be careful for 30, 40, 30, 20, and below that You can expect a good correction towards 29.80, 29.50 and 29. Appears difficult but not impossible. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.